Meanwhile, transparency watchdog National Integrity Action the NIA has taken issue with the government's position not to comment on matters which are being investigated by the Integrity Commission. At Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing, Information Minister Robert Morgan said the government has decided not to comment on the question of which 6 parliamentarians are being investigated for illicit enrichment. Speaking on the Morning Agenda program on Power 106, Principal Director of the NIA, Daniel Archer, said the position taken is a slap in the face of transparency. She said parliamentarians should be treated in the same manner as the common citizen.
When an ordinary Jamaican is suspected by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and they believe that which you do is of some threat to national security or just mere suspicion, and they place you in a database permanently, in perpetuity, you can't come off, and you have what is called an adverse trace. How different it is, though, for our politicians when they are merely investigations, no convictions, no charges, but we can't even know their names.
She says there is no validation for the protection of the reputation of these individuals, as there is a lack of accountability for parliamentarians.
This is of concern because it gives the impression that when the Integrity Commission launches an investigation and they're the only ones so mandated to do under the law, not even the JCF can go in and do it. It is an Integrity Commission that has the obligation to do that. And the public who may have that very information to assist them cannot hear that Tom Jones and Mary Sue are implicated, and they may have the valid information to share. So let's not raise the specter of reputation at this time. The public purse and the image of transparency and accountability are just as important. And until we have a level playing field for everybody when it becomes who becomes suspicious or suspects, then I do not think it's credible to say that it's not broadcasted on the front page. Because when an ordinary Jamaican is implicated, they're not on the front page either. Nobody knows that they've been cleared of the suspicion of rape. Nobody knows that they've been cleared of the suspicion of theft.